Hi guys, in this video, I'll show you how to change the sound input and output on your MacBook. So first, click the Apple logo in the top left corner of your screen. Then click System Settings. In System Settings, scroll down and click Sound. Under the Output section, you'll see a list of available audio output devices. Click the device you want to use, like your MacBook speakers, headphones, AirPods, or external speakers. Your Mac will automatically switch the sound output to that device. Now click the Input section near the top. Select the microphone or input device that you want to use. This could be your MacBook microphone, AirPods microphone, or another connected device. Once selected, try playing audio or speaking into the microphone to make sure that everything is working properly. You should also see the input level move when your microphone detects sound. And that's how to change sound input and output on your MacBook. If this video helped you, give us a like and subscribe for more easy Mac tutorials.